Hello, I'm Dr. Susan Kojas. I want to say a huge thank you to the Iceland Foods Charitable Foundation for your long-term support and particularly your commitment to the charity throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 continues to threaten crucial research efforts, with many projects delayed and a lack of future funding opportunities forcing many scientists to consider leaving the field. Losing scientists would mean not only a loss of resource to continue vital studies, but a loss of valuable expertise, which would take many years to build back up again. Due to the uncertainty caused by the pandemic, we had to pause funding for new research projects. Thanks to you at Iceland Foods Charitable Foundation and others like you, we can move forward with a new set of research funding. We're proud to be able to provide targeted funding for early career dementia researchers. Helping support scientists who have been most impacted by the pandemic and the funding shortages is really important for Alzheimer's Research UK. I'm delighted to introduce you to Dr. Lauren Walker from Newcastle University and Dr. Natalie Connor-Robson from Cardiff University, whose funding has been supported by yourselves.
Hi, my name's Dr. Lauren Walker and I'm an Alzheimer's Research UK Research Fellow here at Newcastle University. So the aims of my research is to investigate how different proteins interact in the brain of people that have dementia with Lewy bodies. So dementia with Lewy bodies is the second most common neurodegenerative disease to cause dementia after Alzheimer's disease. And patients experience a different set of symptoms that include things like visual hallucinations, which can be really distressing for the patients. So dementia with Lewy bodies is caused by the buildup of toxic clumps of protein in the brain. And my new research, which has been made possible by Iceland Foods Charitable Foundation, will use brain tissue from patients that had dementia with Lewy bodies during life. And it will look at how the different proteins accumulate in the brain cells and whether the levels of these proteins can be linked to the different symptoms experienced by the patients during life. So I'm just at the beginning of this research and I'm so excited to get started. I'm really looking forward to getting my first lot of data, to sharing it with other scientists and the wider community, and hopefully make a difference with patients that have dementia with Lewy bodies. I just want to say a big thank you to Iceland Foods Charitable Foundation for making this research possible. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Natalie Connor-Robson and I'm an Alzheimer's Research UK Fellow working at the Dementia Research Institute at Cardiff University. I want to start by saying a really big thank you to the Iceland Foods Charitable Foundation for supporting my work, and I just want to take a couple of minutes to tell you a little bit about the work that I'm going to start. So I'm going to be using cutting-edge stem cell technology in my fellowship, and I'm going to use that to be able to study the recycling system in brain cells. So stem cells are really great because it means we can turn them into any type of cell in the body. And in our case, we obviously want to look at brain cells because they're the ones that are affected by Alzheimer's disease. So I'm going to be seeing how disruption of the recycling system in these cells changes the way that the cells behave, and also how they react to a protein called amyloid, which is a hallmark protein in Alzheimer's disease. So that's what I'm going to be doing in a nutshell, and I'm looking forward to keeping you updated and letting you know how I'm getting on. So once again, just to say a really big thank you to the Iceland Foods Charitable Foundation for helping to support the work.